Hello everyone. So for this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your calculator to perform a simple linear regression. Okay, so this is our example data in class, and I'm going to use an emulator for FX570991EX. You can also use other calculators with stat mode. So the first step is to go to your stat mode. You can access that in your calculator through the menu button or the mode button or something. Okay, so I'm going to click on menu. Then I'm going to search for statistics. In this case, statistics is number 6. So I'm going to click 6, and then since we are talking about simple linear regression, I'm going to use the two variable, which is the linear regression here is number 2, which is y is equal to a plus bx. I'm going to choose 2, and then I'm prompted to key in the values of x and y. So we're going to key in the values of x and y. So 77, 50, false, 71, false, 72 equals 81, false, 94, false, 96, false, 99 equals 7 equals. And for their corresponding y values, we have 82, 66, 78, 34, 47, 85, 99, 99, and 63. Right, and then can press AC. Then to look for the coefficients of the linear regression, you just need to call on the stat option here. So I'm going to click options. For some calculators, you have shift and then stat. The stat should be on the numeric buttons of your calculator. Okay, so but in my case, for 570991EX, I have an option button here, so I'm going to click option, and then I have here the regression. Regression calculator. So I'm going to select 3 and then A, B, and R. A is your coefficient, your constant. B is the slope, that's your P1. A is your PO, and R is your correlation. Right? You can also calculate the two variable data for x bar, summation of x squared, the variance of x, the standard deviation of x, also the sample variance, standard deviation, also for the statistics for the y variable. Okay, we also have the mean and max for both x and y. Also, with your regression, you can actually look for the values of A, B, and R individually in here. Alright? So that's how you perform simple linear regression on your calculator. Thank you.